Your car's paint is more than just a pretty face. It's a protective layer that shields the body from rust, UV rays, road grime, and the elements. Whether you drive a brand new vehicle or an older model you cherish, preserving that glossy, smooth finish is essential not only for aesthetics but also for resale value. Over time, paint damage can silently creep in, caused by weather, improper washing, harsh chemicals, or even daily driving habits. The good news? You don't need expensive detailing sessions to protect your car's paint. With the right tips and techniques, based on real-life experience and expert advice, you can keep your car looking like it just rolled off the lot. Let's break down the best strategies to protect your car's paint, step by step. 1. Wash your car the right way. Washing your car isn't just about making it shine. It's the first line of defense against paint damage. Dirt, dust, bird droppings, tree sap, and road salt can all eat into your clear coat if left sitting too long. Here's what pros recommend. Use the 2-bucket method, 1 bucket for clean, soapy water, and 1 for rinsing your mitt. This reduces the chance of grinding dirt into your paint. Always use a microfiber wash mitt instead of sponges or old towels that can cause swirl marks. Start from the top down, allowing dirt to flow off the surface naturally. Avoid dish soap or household cleaners. These strip protective wax and damage the clear coat. Use car-specific pH-balanced shampoo. Wash your car at least once every 2 weeks, and more often during winter or after rain to prevent contaminants from bonding to the surface. 2. Dry with care. Many people make the mistake of letting their car air dry or using bath towels to wipe it down. Big mistake. Air drying often leaves water spots, and regular towels can scratch the paint. Instead, use a clean, plush microfiber drying towel. Pat dry or gently drag the towel across the surface. Never wipe in circles. Always go in straight lines. Some car enthusiasts also use a leaf blower or a dedicated car dryer to blow water out of crevices, reducing the risk of water spots. 3. Apply a high-quality wax or sealant. Wax is like sunscreen for your car. It forms a protective barrier that shields your paint from UV rays, rain, dirt, and pollutants. Depending on the product, waxes last from a few weeks to a few months. Here's what experts suggest. Natural carnauba wax gives a deep, warm shine and is great for show cars. Synthetic sealants last longer and are better for daily drivers. Apply wax or sealant every 2 to 3 months for optimal protection. Apply by hand or with a dual-action polisher for even coverage. Remember, a car that's regularly waxed doesn't just look better, it resists damage more effectively. 4. Use ceramic coating for long-term protection. For those who want longer-lasting, low-maintenance protection, ceramic coating is the gold standard. These coatings create a chemical bond with your paint, forming a hydrophobic, ultra-durable layer that can last 2 to 5 years. Benefits include water and dirt slide right off, enhanced gloss and depth of color, excellent UV, chemical, and oxidation resistance. While professional ceramic coatings can be expensive, DIY kits are available. However, surface prep is critical. Your paint must be decontaminated and polished before application. Skipping steps can trap imperfections under the coating. Jody Park Smart. One of the simplest ways to protect your paint is by watching where you park. Sounds obvious, but most people don't think twice before pulling into a spot. Avoid the parking under trees. Bird droppings, falling sap, and branches are your enemies. Parking too close to other cars in tight spots. Door dings and scratches are all too common. Parking near sprinklers, hard water spots can etch your paint. Whenever possible, park in a garage or covered area. If you're parking outside regularly, consider using a quality car cover designed to fit your vehicle. It's a small investment that pays off big in the long run. 6. Remove contaminants immediately. Contaminants like bird droppings, bug splatter, tar, and tree sap can cause serious damage if left on your paint for too long. These are highly acidic and can burn through your clear coat within hours. Expert advice. Keep a detail spray and microfiber cloth in your trunk for quick cleanups. Use bug and tar remover or sap removers specifically designed for automotive paint. Don't scrub aggressively. Let the product break down the contaminant and wipe gently. Reacting quickly is key. The longer you wait, the higher the risk of permanent damage. 7. Clay. Your car, twice a year. Even if you wash regularly, your paint will still accumulate bonded contaminants like brake dust, industrial fallout, and pollutants. These don't come off with soap and water. That's where clay barring comes in. A clay bar removes what washing can't, leaving your paint smooth and ready for polishing or waxing. Tips for safe clay bar use. Always use with a clay lubricant to prevent marring. Work in small sections and check the clay often for debris. After claying, always apply a protective wax or sealant. Doing this once or twice a year is more than enough for most drivers. 8. Avoid automatic car washes. Yes, they're convenient, but most automatic car washes are brutal on your paint. The brushes often harbor dirt and grit from previous cars, causing micro scratches and swirl marks. If you must use a wash, look for touchless or brushless car washes, which rely on high-pressure water and soap rather than physical contact. Even then, drying by hand is still preferable to automated blowers. 9. Be cautious with car accessories. Some well-meaning car accessories can actually harm your paint. Cheap magnetic signs, sun visors, or roof bags can trap dirt and scratch the paint underneath. Fender guards and door edge protectors can peel off, taking the clear coat with them if poorly installed. Always check that any accessory you use is paint safe, removable, and clean. Underneath regularly. 10. Schedule regular paint inspections and maintenance. Sometimes small chips or scratches go unnoticed until rust begins to form. Catching these early is critical. Every few weeks, give your car a quick inspection under good lighting. Look for stone chips on the hood and bumper, scratches around door handles, dull or faded spots, signs that wax has worn off. Touch-up paint pens or kits are a quick fix for small blemishes. For deeper damage, consult a paint correction specialist before it spreads. Bonus tip: maintain a clean interior too. Believe it or not, keeping the inside of your car clean also helps protect the exterior. Why? Think of all the times you drag keys, bags, boxes, or belts across your door sills and paint. Dirt on your hands, sleeves, or tools can easily transfer to the outside. By keeping both the interior and exterior clean, you're reducing the chance of accidental scuffs, dings, and paint damage. Final thoughts. Protecting your car's paint isn't just for car lovers, it's for anyone who values their investment. Whether you're driving a high-end luxury sedan or a budget-friendly daily driver, your car deserves to be preserved. By following these expert tips, washing properly, waxing regularly, parking smart, and responding to threats quickly, you're extending the life of your vehicle's appearance and protecting its value. In the end, a well-maintained paint job is like a good suit. It makes a lasting impression, reflects how you treat your vehicle, and gives you that satisfying, head-turning shine every time you hit the road. So next time you look at your car, ask yourself, are you doing enough to protect its paint?